Very style mohair square hair tie crochet tutorial is here. Materials needed. Single strand crochet. Start by making a slip knot and adjust it to the desired size. Round 1. Pull the yarn through the center of the hair tie, wrapping it around, and chain 1. Then work single crochet SC stitches around the hair tie. Beginners can place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Make sure not to crochet too tightly. The number of stitches should be a multiple of 4 here. We've done 124 stitches. You can also mark the last stitch with a stitch marker. At the end of each round, slip stitch, SL street, into the first stitch to join. Round 2, chain 3. To replace the first double crochet, and place a stitch marker on the third chain. This counts as the first stitch. Then, work regular DC stitches. If it's hard to find the stitches, gently separate the yarn with your fingers. Work a total of 24 DC stitches, plus the starting CH to 3, making 25 stitches. This forms one side, corner. In the next stitch, work 2 DC, chain 2, then work 2 more DC in the same stitch. This completes one corner. Repeat. One side plus one corner equals one set. Work 4 sets in total. Round 3. Chain 3 to replace the first DC, then work DC stitches evenly along the side. When you reach the CH2 corner space, work 2 DC, chain 2, and 2 DC in the same space as before. Continue this pattern for all sides and corners. Rounds 4 to 8. Repeat the same method as round 3. Round 9. Change the pattern. 1 DC, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, repeat to the end. The corners are worked the same as before. Finish off by cutting the yarn and securing the end. White bow edging. Use 2 strands of white yarn held together. Chain 30, H30, then slip stitch along the junction of rounds 6 to 7 at each of the 4 corners, working SL street along one entire side. Chain 30, again, and fasten off. Repeat for all 4 sides. Trim excess yarn and tie into a bow to finish.